Hello, it's Katie and I have got you an unboxing video today. So I have literally just finished filming the little demo for this super cute little ring. So check out my video for that too. Really nice simple little ring, fully adjustable too. And just at the end of that video I showed you I had a brand new Relax and Craft subscription box. And once I picked it up, I couldn't put it down. So we're going to open it. We're just going to go for it right now. So I have my ring. I've only opened the tape. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see this okay. So is that going to stay there? Let me just see. I might just have to give this a little bend. Ooh. There we go. Right. Can we see in there okay? I hope so. It's a big box this month. Right. Let's have a little look. I've not opened it yet. See what's inside. Wow, there is a lot in here. There is a lot in here. I love these little cards. So once you've made what you're making, just as a little promotion for the Relax and Craft box, you can just pop a little picture on your social media and say, look what I made with my Relax and Craft box, which is really sweet. And also you get the QR code which links you to the members area, and that is where you get even more goodies, more tutorials, more content. It's absolutely fantastic. I don't know where to start, but you know me by now, I always start by the chocolates. Cream, but I've not had a cream egg in months. I can't wait. Boxing Day cream eggs come out. So got my little bit of chocolate, got my cup of tea, love a cup of tea. Energize Me organic English tea shop. Oh, it's got spearmint, peppermint, blackberry and ginseng. That sounds very nice. That will be on the menu for tomorrow. Right, where do I start? Oh, that's quite heavy, is that one there? Shall we have a look in here first? Let's have a little look inside. Ooh, see, you're seeing at the same time as me. We've got some wire that looks around about a 1mm wire. So let me just pop these to the side. We've got cords. I love cords. Pink. I could have done with this last week for an outfit that wore. Yep, beautiful pink. This is braided cord. Absolutely love it. It's a 0.8mm. There's the loads of, and black. Oh my gosh, pink and black. This is going to be a beautiful box. I honestly do not know what's in these boxes. So this is your black cord. That's another 0.8mm, and that'll be a braided cord as well. Really good quality cord, and you get loads on there, loads and loads on there. So you've got beautiful pink and black cord, and there was some more thread in here. Some more thread and a little bobbin. I wonder what that's for. We will see. That's everything out of that little bag. I also keep my little bags because they're really good quality paper, and I can use them for other things, other craftiness. So let's go for this one, little red one. So we know we've got cords so far. Oh, we've got findings. So we've got flat-headed head pins, my favourite head pins, because you can't see them when they're in. And then we've got some ear wires. We've got some nice big beads. So these must be so that your cords can go through, because they're nice big hold beads. And then we've got cord ends. So obviously we've got cord ends, and we've got some clasps in there and some jump rings. So we're all set up to finishing whatever we're doing with our cords. So that's another little bag. I will be keeping that. What's in here? So it's literally like Christmas every month. Oh, we've got some gemstones. Oh, I like these. I'm not sure on the gemstone. Look at those. Can you see the colour? I hope that they're really pink. I don't think the pink is coming through on the camera. I hope you can see that pink. They are gorgeous. I will find out exactly what gemstone they are. I've got it on the tip of my tongue, but I can't get it to come out. Never mind. But we'll find out. I'm going to pop those back in the envelope for a minute just so I don't lose them. Really pretty gemstone. So much. There's another 1, 2, 3 packets yet. Let's have a look. Oh, I know what this is. I can tell this gemstone a mile off. It's one of my favourites. Oh my gosh, with the pink and the black and those gemstones that we just had. This is Snowflake Obsidian. So, can you see it? It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful gemstone. I hope you can see that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful size as well. Love those. Love those. I'll put those in the box. What's in here? Let's have a look. Oh, this was one of those ones that are really sticky. Made me jump with that. Look how sticky it is. It's hard to get open. Gemstones. So let's have a look. This is, let me just Google this gemstone. Just bear with me a second. Just have a look at that. Gosh, that took a few more minutes and I thought, it is rhodonite. It's beautiful. I knew it began with R. It's absolute, oh my gosh. How beautiful are these together? Look at this. Oh wow, with the pink and black cord. And these are rhodonite too. Oh my gosh. See if we can get 2 of those through there. Maybe not 2. Let's do it the sensible way, Katie. There we go. Look at that. Wow. I'm in love already. So, what is in here? Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. I absolutely love it. This, if you've never seen anything like this before, this is Kumihimo. So this is a Kumihimo kit. Then you've got, oh my God, there is so much in here. So you've got all these cords. So let me get this out. Sorry about the crackles. So this is a Kumihimo disc. Okay, so Kumihimo, let me make sure I got the words right. So Kumihimo is the word for Japanese crossing threads or crossing ribbons. So what you do is you use multiple strands of your threads, your ribbons, your cords, and you cross them, and then they make a pattern, and basically as you cross them they come out of the other side and it creates a beautiful rope, and we can add gemstones and all sorts to that. This is amazing. Look how much there is in here. So you'll be able to make lots of things just with what's in this bag here. So we've got all these gorgeous colours of cords to make them with, and then this little guy here, see this guy. So what you need, I won't go into too much detail because I'll probably do a video on it, but what you need when you're doing Kumihimo is you need a bit of tension, a little bit of weight. So you would clip this to the other side and that would give you a little bit of tension and a little bit of weight. This box is phenomenal. I cannot believe how much. You've got a whole Kumihimo kit. That's just a kit all by itself. Then you've got beautiful gemstones. Then you've got all your findings, your cord ends, earring findings, everything. And you've got wire, and you've got thread, and you've got stunning cords. Look at the colours of those cords. And on top of that, you know me, I like my chocolate. And I've got a cup of tea. Wow, wow. Fleur at Rocks and Chains, at Relax and Craft, which is now the new name for Rocks and Chains, is is just, she's just outdone herself, hasn't she? That is absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy. I'm sorry to be so gushing, but I'm really impressed with that. So I will be making some more demonstrations, some more videos with last month's kit, because I've got to catch up, and I've got this month's kit to make some demonstrations. And if you are interested in Kumihimo, and if you've got one of these boxes, I've actually got a workshop coming up in October, which is a Kumihimo workshop. So it is one of my passions. I do really love Kumihimo. I don't have that bracelet to hand, but basically it's Kumihimo, and then in the workshop I'm adding another ingredient into it, so that will be something different. So check out my website, so katieparker.jewellery.com, so not .jewellery, katieparkerjewellery.com. And if you're interested in subscribing to the Relax and Craft subscription box, check out the link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for being so gushing. I'm a little bit excited about this. I cannot believe how much Fleur has got into this amazing box. So thank you so much. I will see you again really soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to me too. See you later. Bye.